Hi, it's Amy with WTI. So I was on the hunt for an outdoor game that my kids would love, that they could play with their friends, and I found this perfect game, PaddleSmash. This game is a lot of fun. It's like the fusion of pickleball and spike ball. This comes with two pickleballs, four paddles, and one court and net system. Now you're probably thinking, how do you play this and what are the rules? Well, I went to paddlesmash.com and it has an amazing how to do section that will answer any question you have. This is designed for 12 years old and up. You can play 2 versus 2, 2 versus 1, or 1 versus 1. You start with teammates on the opposite sides of the court. A player on Team A strikes down on the ball so that it ricochets off the court to their teammate. Teams now get up to 3 alternating hits. Think bump, set, smash to return the ball. Points are scored when the ball does not clear the net in a single bounce or the ball hits the ground. I love how the pickleball paddles help you have more control, and the net system helps keep the game more contained, so you don't have balls flying over long distances. You're able to stay in a smaller area. Packing this up was quick and easy. This company did such a good job thinking about all the details. Everything has its spot inside the base. Then you fold the base up, it clips, and it turns into a carrying case. It's just brilliant. This is a great game to take camping, to the beach, to picnics, outdoor parties, or just to have for your backyard. In this crazy busy life we have, it's so important to make time with friends and family. So having PaddleSmash is a great way to do that. And that's my point of view.